These are the elevators at the Moffitt Blue Garage in Tampa, Florida. We're going to go up to G7 for garage level 7. G7. You can get a nice view out here. Let's go back down. It did light up twice. I didn't show the first one on camera. So let's go to, I'm pretty sure G1 and 1 are the same level. Just on different entrances, different doors. I guess we'll find out. So someone got on at G2. It turns out G1 and 1 are indeed the same floors. Some of the other elevators coming. This garage used to be labeled as Garage 2, but now it's the Blue Garage. So Garage 1 became the Gold Garage. G7. I'm going to go down to G1.